When I'm going on a summer holiday and my plane leaves to a place so far away, I'm so happy cause it's time to celebrate. Oh, I feel like I could dance. Whoa, different people all around the globe don't know what to say when there's a stranger. I will show that there is a way you can communicate. Everybody understand. How do you do? You like me and I like you. Come and take me by the hand, cause I wanna be your friend. How do? You like me and I like you. Say how do you do?